Scene script. Did you know that the tallest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls in Venezuela, is so high that water evaporates before it even reaches the ground? Fascinating, isn't it? Waterfalls are nature's grand spectacle, a testament to the raw power and beauty of our planet. They form when a river or stream flows over a steep drop, creating a stunning cascade of water that can be a gentle trickle or a thunderous roar. The sound of rushing water, the misty spray in the air, the sight of rainbows dancing in the sunlight, all these elements combine to create an experience that is both awe-inspiring and serene. Waterfalls have a unique allure that draws people from all corners of the world. They are places of tranquility and drama, of wonder and excitement. Whether it's the thrill of standing at the edge of a towering cascade, feeling the spray of water on your face, or the peacefulness of watching a gentle fall in a secluded forest, waterfalls offer a captivating blend of adventure and tranquility. But what makes these cascades so enchanting? Is it their sheer size and power, or the way they interact with the landscape around them? Perhaps it's the way they are constantly changing, sculpting the land with their relentless flow. Or maybe it's simply the sense of awe they inspire, reminding us of the grandeur and mystery of the natural world. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the top 10 waterfalls in the world. From the towering heights of Angel Falls in Venezuela to the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls straddling the border of Canada and the United States, each waterfall is a marvel in its own right. We'll also venture to the mesmerizing Victoria Falls in Africa, the cascading Plitvice waterfalls in Croatia, and the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls in South America. Each of these waterfalls has its own unique charm and story to tell, and we can't wait to share them with you. Now, prepare to journey with us across the globe as we explore the top 10 waterfalls in the world. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Angel Falls in Venezuela. Nestled in the heart of Canaima National Park, Angel Falls is a heavenly cascade that has been capturing the hearts of adventurers for centuries. Named after Jimmy Angel, an adventurous pilot who discovered the falls in the early 20th century, Angel Falls boasts a jaw-dropping height of nearly 1 kilometer, making it the tallest waterfall in the world. But the height is not the only thing that sets Angel Falls apart. It's also known for a unique phenomenon. So high is the fall that the water often evaporates into a fine mist before it even reaches the ground. This ethereal spectacle creates a dreamlike atmosphere, making Angel Falls a true wonder of nature. The falls have a rich history steeped in local lore and legends, which only adds to their allure. So, if you're seeking a destination that offers a blend of natural beauty, history, and unique phenomena, Angel Falls should top your list. With its breathtaking height, Angel Falls is truly a spectacle to behold. Next, we journey to North America to witness the thunderous beauty of Niagara Falls. A spectacle of nature's might, Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfall, but a captivating trio: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls. Each one a breathtaking sight in its own right. This trio of cascades straddles the international border between Canada and the United States, creating a natural spectacle that has captivated humanity for centuries. Niagara Falls has a rich history, its formation dating back some 12,000 years to the end of the last ice age. It's a living testament to the relentless power of water and time. But it's not just the past that makes Niagara Falls so fascinating. Today, it attracts over 20 million visitors annually, drawn to its thunderous roar, towering mist, and the rainbows that dance in its spray. Niagara Falls, a testament to nature's power, awaits your visit. Moving on to Africa, we find the majestic Victoria Falls. Known locally as Mosi Oatunya, this Zambian-Zimbabwean spectacle translates to the smoke that thunders, and boy does it live up to its name. This waterfall, straddling two countries, is a sight to behold. A unique feature of Victoria Falls is its sheer width. Stretching over 1 mile across, it's wider than Niagara Falls, making it the largest curtain of falling water in the world. It's a sight that's as humbling as it is awe-inspiring. But the spectacle doesn't end with the falls. Victoria Falls also sustains a lush rainforest, a verdant oasis thriving on the mist from the thundering waters. The forest is a testament to the life-giving power of this natural wonder, home to a variety of plant and animal species. Victoria Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's a thundering symphony of water and life, a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of our planet. Experience the thunderous might of Victoria Falls and its enchanting rainforest. Our next destination takes us to Europe, to the cascading beauties of Plitvice Waterfalls in Croatia. Nestled within the vibrant wilderness of Plitvice Lakes National Park, these waterfalls are not just singular drops, but a mesmerizing ensemble of 16 interconnected lakes. Each lake cascades into the next, creating a symphony of water that is a feast for the senses. But the spectacle doesn't end there. The magic of Plitvice extends to its rich biodiversity. The park is a refuge for an array of wildlife, from the brown bear to the lynx, adding another layer of intrigue to this natural wonder. Notably, it's the unique geological process called karst that gave birth to this cascade of lakes. Over thousands of years, water has eroded the limestone and chalk, creating these natural dams that separate the lakes. So whether you're a nature lover, a geology enthusiast, or simply a fan of breathtaking views, Plitvice Waterfalls, a paradise of cascading lakes, is a sight not to be missed. We end our journey in South America at the magnificent Iguazu Falls. An unending symphony of cascading water, this wonder is not just one waterfall but a grand system of 275. Each cascade contributes a note to the harmonious orchestra of nature, making Iguazu Falls a spectacle unlike any other. Nestled on the border of Argentina and Brazil, the Iguazu River splits, creating this phenomenal spectacle. It's a sight that has inspired awe and wonder in visitors for centuries. The falls are not just a visual marvel, but a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. The falls derive their name from the Guarani words "wai" meaning water, and "uasu" meaning big, a fitting moniker for such a grand spectacle. The Iguazu Falls are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Iguazu Falls, with its multitude of cascading waters, is a spectacle that will leave you in awe. From the heights of Angel Falls to the cascades of Iguazu, we've journeyed across the globe to witness the world's most spectacular waterfalls. Each one, a testament to nature's raw power and beauty, has a unique story to tell. Remember the heavenly cascade of Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, or the thunderous trio of Niagara Falls, a breathtaking spectacle that straddles two nations. Recall the Majesty of Victoria Falls, aptly named the Smoke That Thunders, and the cascading beauties of Plitvice, a network of falls that create a symphony of sights and sounds. And who could forget Iguazu Falls, aptly named the Great Waters, a marvel that stretches nearly 2.5 miles. These awe-inspiring waterfalls, each with their unique features and the experiences they offer, stand as a testament to the incredible wonders of nature. So, pack your bags and embark on an adventure to witness these incredible wonders of nature. Each waterfall, with its unique beauty and charm, promises an experience like no other.